Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I have a small cash unstuffing because I was really good this week about not really using my card as much. I did a couple of online purchases and then of course I did a Starbucks reload. So I do want to take that money back to the bank, and I wrote down my transactions. So I have, like I said, the Starbucks one, which was only $10 so far this week. And then I have a couple Amazon ones. I wrote down the totals, rounding up because I don't want to deal with cents. So I rounded all of these totals up from the amount I actually paid, because honestly, I'd rather put more money back into the bank than less. So that's what I did here. And then this purchase right here was actually out of two categories. So I have those split into two right here. So actually my total, because I haven't done that yet, so I have 10 plus 33 and 54. I'm only taking back $97. And then I'm going to do a condensing before I take the money back, just to see if I can or not. But yeah, that's kind of this video, just a little unstuffing and a small condensing. Okay, so the first one, I'm just going to take care of the coffee one because I know I have that money in my wallet, and then I'll take care of spending next. But coffee, I'm just doing 10. I gave myself 20 this week, so I'm just taking 110, and I still haven't done a reload. It's already Thursday, so I haven't reloaded yet, and I don't know, I might reload. I don't know. We'll see. I usually spend all this for the week because that's like my little treat for myself. So yeah, but I'm just going to cross this off now that that is complete. Next, I'm going to do the spending since I'm in my wallet, and I need 23. So, oh, I need $1. Oh, you know what I'll do? I will make change. Sometimes I'll do this with my buffer. I always get questions about my buffer. I usually use it for if I need, like say I needed 24, but I only had 23. I would just take $1 from here. But in this case, I'm just going to use it to make change. So I have 5 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm just going to put this 5 back here. So I have ones over here to work with. Just makes my life a little bit easier to make change that way. And then I need 23 from here. So that's 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. That is going back to the bank. And then I'm left with $4 in spending. Okay, so that was spending. That one's done. And then that is it in my wallet. I realize like my money's all over the place. So let me fix that. Okay, I think that's good. Yeah. All right. So then I'm done in here. Now I'm going to go into my black binder and go into electronics. I need 33. I bought a new ring light, like a small ring light, so it wasn't too bad. But I don't have change, but I could probably make change over here. So, well, we'll see. Probably, we'll see. So I need 33. So, you know what? I'm going to come back to this one. I'm going to go into hobbies first, and then I'll see if I can make change. Hobbies. I think I have 31 in here for hobbies. All right, so I have, 20, 31. And then I am left with, oh, and I need to update my tracker. In my wallet, I don't do trackers because that's my spending money for the week. But in here, my sinking funds binders, I do have a tracker. So I need to update this one right here. So I have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, $29 left in hobbies. And I took away 31, and I don't know the date. I think it's the 25th. So this is going back to the bank, 31. So let me put that here. Okay, this is updated, so that is good to go. Hobbies. Okay, so hobbies is all done, and actually this whole Amazon is done too. And then next I'm doing electronics. That's the last one. So let's see if I can make that change without having to go in another envelope. All right, so I needed 33 in here. Okay, so I have 40. So I have 40, and that means I need 7, but I don't have any 5s. So actually, okay, I'm gonna have to do, okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take these 2 5s, make change. No, hold on, sorry. Yes. Okay, I think this will work. So I'm gonna do those 2 5s there. And then that should give me the change I need. Okay, let me just double check and make sure I have what I'm supposed to have in here before I move on. So I have 1, 2, 3, 350, 370, 390, 400, okay? So I needed 33, and I have 40, so I just need 7. Oops. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this 40, bring it over here, and grab 7 for the change. 7. Yes. That all maths out, I believe. Yeah. And then in electronics, I'm subtracting 31, and then I'm left with 1, 2, 300, 350, 360, 365, 66, 67, 367. Oops, sorry, I messed up. This is supposed to be 33. Okay, so 367 and 33, that's 400. Perfect. So this is going back in here. And that should be, that's everything that I needed to pull. All right, so I'm just gonna double check my amount in my tray and make sure I have 97. So I have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97. Perfect. So I have exactly what I need to go back to the bank from all my purchases that I did this week online. Now I'm just gonna go through my envelopes and condense. I know I can condense because I have some 20s. I know I can condense in my savings binder because I have a lot of savings challenges with like ones, like this one. So let's see how many ones I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Guess I can do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And actually I could do another 20. So I'll do that. Okay, so that's it for this one. Oh, I had more in here. Oh, but they're hundreds, so that's fine. Okay, this one, let's see if I could do a 20. No. Okay, so that one's good. Let's see this one. I could do a 10. So that one's good. This one's almost done. I'm gonna finish this one in the next cash stuffing, which is very exciting. Okay, this one. No. Okay, so that one's all good too. All right, and then I think this one, this one's good. Yeah, it's 25. Okay, perfect. So mainly just to get those ones out of that envelope because it gets pretty full in there. And then let's see if there's anything in here, just to double check. Okay. Okay, so I could do 10. Actually, I could do 20 here. I have 10, 15, 20. So I'll do that. Make it a little bit easier. 1, 2, 3, 350, $370, $390. Perfect. $390. Christmas. Oh, I have some ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll keep this 5. Oops. I only have 25 in Christmas. Electronics. Can I do anything? I don't think so. No. Okay. Emergency. Can't do anything. Extra debt. Nope. Furniture, maybe. I could do a 10. $10 here. So that's 50 in furniture. Gifts. I could do a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 65 in gifts. Rainy day. I've got lots of ones. Oh yeah, because my last cash stuffing, I put in a lot of like ones into envelopes. So I actually can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 right here. So that's 60. That one's done. Okay, road trip. I think I have 5s, so I could do a 10. So that's 60 in road trip. Scentsy, I could do a 10. That's my last 10, so that's 60. Subscriptions. Can't do anything with that one. And treat yourself. Don't know if I can do anything in here. Oh, I could do a 20. And I got more 10s. Nice. Okay, so that's my last 20. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 350, 370, 75, 76 in cash. Yes. I just like to double check because you never know. Don't want to mess it up. Okay, so that's it for this one. And then I'm just going to do this one really quick. Maybe there's some 10s I can add in here. So beauty has 8, so I can't do anything with that. Clothing has 45, so that's good. Content has 55, so that's good. Disney, I could do 10 here. 10, so that's 30. Disney. Family. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My last 10. So that's 30. But like I said, I have a lot of 1s in these, so I might be able to use some of these 5s. So here I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to take a lot of 1s back to the bank. So that's 60. Hobbies. Okay, I don't have 5 there. So this one stays as it is. Holiday decor. That one's good. Home decor. Oh, this one's really thick. Okay, I have so many 1s. Okay, so I could do a few 1s here, or 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. I have, yes. Okay, so this is 15. So I'm just gonna get 3 5s. 1, 2, 3. So now I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 in home decor. Household has 5, so that's good. And Target has 7. All right, so that is it for condensing of my binders. Now I'm just gonna double check my account over here and make sure this is still 97. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep that there and just count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52 is 97. Perfect. Okay, so this is all going back to the bank. And my usual process for going to the bank is I just take it to the ATM and feed it through the ATM, and it's super easy. I don't have to wait in line. I don't have to take all this money, especially these ones. I mean, even if I took these ones to the teller, they have a machine that counts everything, so it's not like they have to count it by hand. But I prefer to go to the ATM and just go through there and not have to go into the bank. So that's what I plan on doing, is just going to the ATM and depositing this money back into my account. But that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.